No, it won't go over there. It just goes to the bathroom. So we'll have to get over that road.
This is the Lynchville boat access area. People on the water today. Did you get your mirrors fixed?
Yep, I can see behind me, side of me. There we go.
I'm gonna stop.
Okay.
There's nothing coming, I'm gonna just juice it.
Nothing coming?
So you come on, get around in there.
Or you're just going to tell me where to go.
Just follow the road. That's it. Don't be in a hurry.
I'm not.
It's beautiful with these trees going across the road, isn't it?
It sure is. These must be where they can rent or own.
You see some of these spots that look interesting, I guess we could stop. No parking.
Yeah, we'll stop. No parking. Ooh, that's pretty.
How you doing? Here we are on the waterfront here at Beaufort. Just hadn't got into the business part of it yet. It's a residential area. Beautiful through here. I mean, tell how much that little house right there were. Huh.
That's a little bitty house.
Tide is up or coming up. Kind of high.
Does each one of them have a tract of land?
Well, I think, I don't know. I think
Hey!
just goes. I don't know how the land goes up from here. I've heard that the people own the house here on the right owns up to the waterfront there. But I don't know. I don't
Watch
really
that
know.
bump right there.
That house there sitting right on the creek, ain't it?
Yeah, I mean it is.
The back deck is over the creek. Taylor's Creek. There's some porpoises. I just saw some porpoises out there.
Did you?
Yeah. Over there by that boat that's moving along there. It's been a while since we had the boat over here and rode down through the waterfront.
Yep.
We might get it one day this week, ride through here.
Do what? The boat?
Yeah, ride the boat through there. The bad thing is there's no wake zone all the way through there.
Yeah.
From one end all the way to the other.
Look at this golf cart right here.
Yeah. You ready for rain or wind, eh?
Yep.
A lot of people walking down here.
Yeah, they got a sidewalk.
Big building here on the right. Pretty sure that's not one house. Good night. No, there ain't no way that could be one house.
Why not?
Get lost in there. Where the other half lives, people. Car coming up behind you, honey, in a motorcycle or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a truck getting ready to turn.
People fishing, people riding. A lot of money being spent.
And that old man looking at you too.
What old man? The skeletons?
Yeah.
Yeah, they ready for Halloween. I'm ready. What are you gonna get?
We got 2.4 miles.
They said I didn't set mine, but evidently I said it before I left home. Charged it. Yeah, I saw a sign that said bike wrap somewhere.
Right here.
Right here,
Right
okay.
here.
No through traffic. Sign here. The bike route. I wonder if this is how they drive their vehicle up here to this house.
Probably.
Probably so, huh?
Probably. There's a squirrel. What if you ride your bikes on the sidewalks?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm in places I've never been. Probably places I don't belong.
This is where the hotel was, wasn't it?
Yeah, but it was right here where they're damn building something.
Yep. Yeah, because there's the boat things.
Do I?
There's the boat things.
Yeah, I believe that used to be the old Buffy Inn right there.
Yeah.
Shrimp boat.
Wonder what they're going to build in place of it, I wonder.
Imagine another motel, I guess. Something to make some money with, I'm sure.
Yep.
If you're going too fast through here, they slam off.
Mm-hmm.
It's a one-way street to the right.
So we got to go there?
Yeah.
Or you want to keep
Go
straight?
to the next one, yeah.
Okay.
We come up to Front Street. What street is this one here? And
St.
Church,
Paul's
right?
Episcopal Church.
St. Paul's Episcopal.
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 No, Episcopal.
Okay, whatever. Get up here and stop. What we're gonna do?
Okay.
You get straight on.
That takes you back down.
Yeah, at night. Look at the people coming through here.
Yep.
Got nothing coming out of Beaufort. You ready?
Yeah, I'm
okay,
ready.
I'm going this way.
Whoa.
That big old bump right here. Tree
You
roots.
ain't joking.
You want to come on around me?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for that car to get past me.
Big old seahorse there to your right. Big old holes in the road.
Go that way and go to the front street.
Okay, we're headed back to Front Street.
Town Hall.
Town of Beaufort. Right.
Okay, we
What's
go.
that sign there? Say something park.
Yeah, Graydon Park.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
You want to go to the park?
We done been to the right. Car coming.
I see it, honey.
nice street going with the current. What is that, a cat up inside the road?
I don't know.
Little dog.
Our dog.
Let me say he's taking it easy, whatever it is.
Oh, it's a black cat.
Big old cat.
I'm glad he didn't go out in front of us.
Big old cat.
Private property.
Yeah. Well, you ain't got to get over there.
Huh?
I do like the canopy here over the road.
Yeah.
That's about where we started. Now we're gonna go the other way here. Boat houses here. Parking for marina members only. Whenever we stop, I got the GoPro off. I did a GoPro count. I mean, it's bad.
You need to stop.
No, you do. Look right there. Pretty. Little jiggy house.
Look at that house.
I like that too. It had a little elevator lift or something. I had to walk up and down these steps.
Yeah, we're at the end of the road. That's pretty good.
Those trees are pretty, aren't they?
They are gorgeous. That house is for sale. Oh, it's sold.
Yeah.
That house sold.
Trees sure are pretty. We're here at the end of it's just street here at Lennoxville. As far as you can go down Taylor's Creek out there. Those bushes in front of us wasn't here. You can see over the Harker Island. Pretty down through here.
It is.
I didn't know there was a motel down here. Car straight behind us. Huh? I'm gonna turn the film on. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me pretty good?
Yeah. Here's where US 70 ends here in Atlantic. Core Banks is over on my right hand side as we're coming up on this here harbor. I guess it's just a private harbor where the fishermen dock their boats. I don't think it's for commercial use here. And it's looks like a outhouse here with the half moon on the door. And we come across this here old car here. It was made out of aluminum. Looks like they may put their coolers and stuff on to transport them from the boat here off the dock. But looking back over here, you know, it's back toward the sound. And there's just a small area here for those boats to come in and out of to this harbor. This is a new camper park here. There's a gate up here, so the wife and I didn't ride there on bikes through there. But it's very nice. Looks like sitting on the peninsula here in front of us. Well, now look at this here view of these houses and the view that the homeowners have got of the sound. This is how the other half lives, but I believe it would take a lot of living like this to kill a man. This stretch in here is mighty pretty. I believe if I had the money, this would be a place like I wish I could stay right here. Very quiet little town, very little traffic, and what a view. We have finally arrived to the other side of this harbor, but it took going all through town to get to the other side. But this here looks like they're going to have a sign, put a sign up here, maybe to say, "Welcome to Atlantic." I haven't seen an Atlantic sign yet. Okay, check this out. If this here is the coolest looking Halloween thing I've seen so far. If you stare at this creature here, looks like he's staring back at you. I saw a drop cord running to it, and looks like it may light up at nighttime. I don't know, but it's got a little body in the bag, disheveled and all. Huge. It was huge. We sat here a couple of minutes and just looked at this skeleton. I don't know where he's got it, but that would be a nice thing to have during Halloween. I believe this was the Hunting Preserve Church, and since I lost the mic, I read the sign, but I don't exactly remember when this building was built. It was in the 1800s, but I believe it said Hunting Preserve or something to do with Hunting Church. It was a very old building. Military, no trespassing, so there's where we turn around. But folks, if you get a chance to go to Atlantic, North Carolina, it's an absolutely beautiful little town. And if you can ride your bikes through there, you know, it's just beautiful. Take an opportunity to go. Thank you. I don't remember the lady's name who worked at the post office that we asked if we could park our truck there, but I would like to thank her. A very nice lady. She said, "Yeah, just park your truck there," and she'd keep an eye on it. Trying to find some pinhead popping on the water. We got a lake star, so it's probably going to be tough to find them. on the water out there. Rock Jenny. Yeah? Huh?
Knocked off.
Got me digging off the bottom. We can get right to the bottom. There you go. You got it? Let's see what you got here. Oh, black bass.
Big enough to broke up.
Here's your rag right here. Cut the line. That had to be a blue. Cut the line. Cut the line.
Let me get the damn hook at it. You need to go back to the water. Blow up. I know I can do something.
I know, huh?
Oh, what you are, dadgummit. Oh, he broke my line. He was huge.
Look at that, the blues down there. Look at it.
Yellow blue? What is that?
10 penny.
Yep. Them things hurt.
Yeah, they penny, they do.
I like fishing.
Yeah, probably blue Catalina. A lot of something down there. Transmission, I think. Transmission ought to get. What you got? That little gray trout. Too small. No.
How big's he gotta be?
It got to be a lot bigger than that.
Go see your papa and your grandma. Dang.
Great trout.
Big enough?
Yeah.
Damn, how big they gotta be? No. That's about 14 inches.
Put it in the kitchen. Ain't been there.
She'll cut it up, make stew out of it. Alright now, I ain't fighting you.
Barney, you found anything else?
What is it? How many blues we got?
All right, good man.
I don't know what happened to your pliers in here. Got it. Yeah, I see it. Yep.
I need some. What's your
Let me
next
cut it right there. Let me cut it right there. Huh?
How about you, Stuart? Hi, buddy. What's happening? You? Oh, got all I could. Still trying to gather a few more. Fine weight. Ah, dear. All right, then. Good enough. So, 40 offshore. 40 out there? Yeah, I was headed out there offshore tanker and changed my mind when he said a 14, which I'm glad I did. We filled the box, slam ass full of triggerfish, so
Good. Nice.
good day. A little rough,
that's good.
All right. Going. Yeah, she's laying right stern to that groundswell. Keep that out there. We haven't seen much of that today. It's been pretty in here. Yeah, I'm coming up on enough. I'm looking forward to the pretty weather. Oh, we got it. We got it right here.
A little sporty out there, you see. It's nice in here.
I got as deep as, I'm like 78 now, and it seemed like my better fishing was a little bit shallower than what I am now. Still plenty of bait, but I don't know if fish aren't here or not biting one or the other.
Got a rod bender there, don't you?
Something just jumped right yonder. Oh, no. Where'd you put the rest of them? This one?
Wow. Yeah, right there. Right in there.
I don't see any of them in there.
Need some help? There you go. You want to get them? Turn your net over. tangled up. There you go.
That's pretty fancy. You're fixing to leave, go home. You know I just have to him.
Pretty fish. That's number 8, I do believe. Take about 30 minutes.